Basically, I published 27 chapters on a set of computational inputs.
You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis of sound. Fundamental understanding of how music works.
And phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics.
Who's this Mr. Pregnant guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor. So basically, it's a taxonomic approach to disambiguity and ambiguity. In a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. Cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. These and creates a sort of surrealistic kind of experience.
You gotta have that balance.